Welcome to this complete Menorca, Spain travel guide. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Menorca is the easternmost isle of the Balearic Islands. Known for its rich history, diverse culture, and serene landscapes, this island gem leaves no stone unturned in offering a quintessential Spanish escapade. From breathtaking beaches and archaic architecture to tranquil harbors and mysterious caves, Menorca is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Ready to explore the top 10 attractions in Menorca? Buckle up and join us on this virtual journey. Starting our journey with the breathtaking beaches of Cala Macarella and Cala Macarelleta. Picture this, you're surrounded by nature's grand spectacle, with the azure sky meeting the crystal clear waters at the horizon. The beaches are beautifully tucked away, offering a serene environment that's perfect for a day of relaxation or an adventurous hike through the surrounding trails. The best time to visit? Well, every season has its charm. The summer months offer warm, inviting waters and a vibrant, sun-soaked landscape. But if you're not a fan of bustling crowds, the quieter months of spring and autumn will suit you perfectly, offering cooler temperatures and a more peaceful atmosphere. Activities? Snorkeling in the clear waters is a must, offering a glimpse into the rich marine life, or simply lay back with your favorite book, letting the soft rhythm of the waves serenade you. Remember to pack your sunscreen and a good book because these beaches are a slice of paradise. Next stop, the historic city of Ciutadella de Menorca. Often described as a living museum, this city is a treasure trove of history, culture, and architectural beauty. Each cobblestone street tells a tale, every Gothic cathedral a testament to the city's rich past. But it's not all stone and history. The vibrant local markets are a feast for the senses, a kaleidoscope of colors, smells, and sounds. And if you're a foodie, you're in for a treat. The local cuisine is a beautiful blend of Spanish and Mediterranean flavors. Be sure not to miss the mouth-watering seafood paella or the traditional ensaimada pastries. For the shopaholics amongst us, Ciutadella offers unique shopping experiences, from quirky boutiques to bustling markets selling local crafts and produce. It's the perfect place to pick up a souvenir or two. So take your time, wander the streets, and immerse yourself in the charm of this city. Ciutadella, where history meets charm. Let's ascend to the highest point of Menorca, Monte Toro. Towering at nearly 358 meters, this mountain is a natural vantage point offering breathtaking panoramic views of the island. On a clear day, you might even catch a glimpse of Mallorca, Menorca's sister island. Monte Toro isn't just about the views, though. It's also a spiritual retreat, home to a 17th century Franciscan monastery. Nestled atop this tranquil mountain, the monastery invites a sense of serene introspection. Here, time seems to slow down, offering a gentle reprieve from the rush of modern life. And let's not forget the beautiful Church of the Virgin Mary at the peak. It's a real treat for history buffs, with tales of miracles and apparitions woven into its centuries-old stone. So whether you're a fan of scenic landscapes, historical architecture, or peaceful sanctuaries, Monte Toro has something for everyone. Monte Toro, offering heavenly views from earthly heights. Moving on to the quaint little fishing village of Binibeca Vell. Nestled on the southeastern coast of Menorca, this charming hamlet is like stepping back in time into a serene world of simplicity and tradition. You'll find yourself lost in its labyrinth of narrow, winding alleyways, each turn revealing yet another picture-perfect scene of whitewashed buildings, their bright colors contrasted against the clear Menorcan sky. These buildings, though reminiscent of a bygone era, are not without their comforts. Most house delightful little cafes and eateries where you can indulge in the local seafood cuisine. Why not try the caldereta de lagosta, a traditional lobster stew that's a favorite among locals and visitors alike? And the best part about Binibeca Vell? The peaceful atmosphere. Away from the noise and crowds of the city, it's the perfect place to unwind and soak in the authentic Menorcan experience. Binibeca Vell, a delightful escape from the hustle and bustle. Journeying next to the heart of Menorca Mahón Harbour. This bustling port, with its deep, naturally sheltered waters, has been of strategic importance since the Roman times. It's not just the Romans who recognized its value. The British, during their reign in the 18th century, also utilized it as a vital naval base. The harbour's beauty is breathtaking, offering panoramic views that stretch out to the sea's horizon. The view is so spectacular, you could be forgiven for thinking you've stepped into a postcard. The lively waterfront is a hub of activity where the day's catch is brought in and the smell of fresh seafood fills the air. The harbour is lined with a vibrant array of bars and restaurants, each one offering its own unique charm and flavours. Walking along the waterfront, you'll hear the clinking of glasses, laughter, and the soft hum of conversation. Here, it's not just about the sea, it's about the life that surrounds it. At Mahón Harbour, every hour is happy hour. Now prepare for a unique experience at Cova Xoroi. This isn't just a cave, my friends, it's a legend. Tucked away in the dramatic cliffs of Menorca, Cova Xoroi is shrouded in a tale as old as time. Legend has it that a shipwrecked man named Xoroi took refuge in these caves and lived undetected while he wooed and won a local maiden. Quite a romantic, wasn't he? Nowadays the cave has transformed from a clandestine lover's hideaway into one of Menorca's hottest spots. By day, it's a lounge where you can sip on a cocktail while drinking in the stunning views of the Mediterranean. As the sun dips, the cave morphs into a vibrant nightclub, its music echoing off the ancient walls. So whether you're here for the breathtaking views, the intriguing legend, or simply to dance the night away, there's something for everyone. Cova Xoroi, where the party starts at sunset. Let's head back to the coast to the serene Cala Mitjana. Nestled along Menorca's southern coastline, Cala Mitjana is a secluded paradise, offering an intimate experience away from the bustling tourist spots. This untouched cove is a haven of tranquility, with its crystal-clear waters shimmering under the Mediterranean sun, inviting you to take a refreshing dip. The beach is surrounded by dense pine forests, their scent mixing with the salty sea air to create a unique, invigorating aroma. It's an ideal spot for those who enjoy nature walks, with trails meandering through the trees and along the coastline. The best time to visit? Early morning or late afternoon, when the sun's rays cast a golden glow over the landscape. And the activities? From swimming and snorkeling to picnicking and sunbathing, Cala Mitjana offers a delightful array of seaside pursuits. Cala Mitjana, a secluded gem waiting to be discovered. Next, we travel back in time to the prehistoric Naveta des Tudons. Marvel at this intriguing ancient burial site, a testament to the island's rich history. This structure, dating back to around 1400 before Christ, is the best preserved example of the unique Naveta-type structures found only in Menorca. Its name, Naveta des Tudons, translates to Ship of the Tudons, a nod to its ship-like structure. It's a two-story building made entirely of dry stone, and it housed the remains of at least 100 individuals. Over the years, many fascinating artifacts have been discovered here. These include bronze bracelets, ceramic buttons, and flint knives, each offering valuable insights into the lives of the island's ancient inhabitants. The Naveta des Tudons is more than just a burial site. It's a symbol of Menorca's prehistoric past, a silent storyteller that whispers tales of a time long gone. So step back in time and immerse yourself in the mystique of this captivating site. Naveta des Tudons, a window into Menorca's ancient past. Our journey continues to the historic Fort Marlborough. Nestled on the cliffs of Cala de Sant-Esteve, this 18th century fortress whispers tales of strategic might and artful engineering. Built by the British during their occupation, the fort's unique subterranean design was a clever response to the challenges of the rugged landscape and the ever-looming threat of enemy cannons. The fort's labyrinthine tunnels and chambers serve dual roles, providing both protection for the garrison and a vantage point to safeguard the entrance to the strategic port of Mahón. Its walls, though battered by time and conflict, stand as a silent testament to its pivotal role in Menorca's history. Throughout the ages, Fort Marlborough has withstood sieges, weathered storms, and even survived the passing of empires. Today, it continues to captivate visitors with its intriguing past and enduring presence. Fort Marlborough, a testament to Menorca's resilient spirit. Lastly, but certainly not least, we visit the stunning Bou Beach. Imagine a vast stretch of golden sand, so wide and long that it seems to kiss the horizon. That's Bou Beach for you. It's the longest beach in Menorca, a sweeping 3-kilometer expanse that never feels crowded, even in the height of summer. But it's not just about the sand. Look beyond and the clear turquoise waters beckon, perfect for a refreshing dip or a snorkeling adventure. And let's not forget the surrounding natural reserve, a lush landscape that adds a touch of wild beauty to the scene. When should you visit? Well, any time really, but the beach truly shines from May to October, when the Mediterranean sun is at its best. And what to do? Sunbathing, swimming, beach sports, or simply lazing around with a good book? The choice is yours. Bou Beach, the perfect end to a perfect journey. There you have it, the top 10 attractions in Menorca. We've journeyed from the serene waters of Cala Macarella to the historical Fort Marlborough, basked in the sun at Bou Beach, and gazed at the panorama from Monte Toro. We've strolled through Ciutadella and Binibeca Vell, and let's not forget the vibrant Mahón harbour or the mystical Cova den Xoroi. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Menorca. Remember, the journey is best measured in friends rather than miles. So plan your trip, make some friends, and create memories in Menorca.